Hi, I'm Rustam Mehta. This is my partner, Tal Schori. Together, we founded GRT Architects, which is based in Brooklyn. And today we're going to show you the renovation of a mid-century home in Croton-on-Hudson, New York.
This project represents one of our specialties, mixing a unique historic structure with our own design voice. Let us show it to you.
There are a lot of things that make this house unique, but I want to start by talking about the house's original architect. Her name was Roberta Thrun, and she was one of the first women to graduate from Columbia University's School of Architecture. The house is now owned by her grandson, who is our client. When we set about renovating it, our goal was to use what made the house unique and beautiful original to inform all the decisions we made. The house is very simple, uses very few materials. We actually read the original specifications for the house and did some things the architect had originally intended, such as installing a cedar shingle roof to replace an asphalt shingle roof.
The first space you walk into is the kitchen, and it needed a gut renovation, but we didn't want it to feel too new. We kept a lot of the original elements and integrated them into the new design, such as the terracotta floors, the wood beams that track throughout the entire house, and many of the wood plank cabinets that are in the home. One of the things we really wanted to emphasize when we designed the kitchen is how well the house is integrated into the landscape. And we did so by positioning some of the key features of the kitchen next to windows that are almost at ground level. The kitchen is really the introduction to the entire home. It brings together all the elements that are both old and new, and you'll see that throughout the entire project. The living room is really the main space in the house. Oftentimes, a living room is centered around a fireplace, but in this case, the views of the Hudson really draw you outside. In order to emphasize that, we painted all the window frames black so that the architecture itself recedes into the background and the view beyond is what draws you out. One of the original elements of the house that we really wanted to keep as part of the design are the red terracotta floors. This is typical of a mid-century modern house. It provides radiant heat, and it stitches all the spaces of the home together.
We are down at the lower level where the principal suite is. The lower level is really beautiful because of the grades. It walks straight outside and has great connection to nature. When we reconfigured the principal suite, we oriented the bed so it also faces south out to the view. Downstairs features the same terracotta floor as the rest of the house. However, when we reconfigured the bathrooms, portions of this got damaged. Our response to that was to find a natural stone that had the same hue and tones as the terracotta and to have it cut to match perfectly the size of the terracotta floor grid. So that is now the floor in the principal bathroom. Tal and I love doing work in historic structures. Each one is unique, and we love the challenge of figuring out how to use our voice to contribute to each one in a way that builds upon its history.
Thanks for taking a look.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?